Hey there, iPhone users. Have you ever noticed your phone heating up while charging? It's a common issue, but don't worry, we've got the solutions. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to stop your iPhone from overheating during charging and get it running cool again. So, if you want your device to last longer and charge more efficiently, keep watching. Overheating while charging is actually a pretty frequent problem with iPhones, and it's usually caused by a few factors. When your phone gets too hot, it can damage the battery, slow down your performance, and even cause your iPhone to stop charging altogether. But don't worry, there are simple fixes you can do to solve this. First things first, take off your iPhone's case while charging. Cases trap heat and prevent the phone from cooling down properly. So, the next time you charge, simply remove the case and let your iPhone breathe. Now, using a non-certified or low-quality charger is a big no-no. It might seem convenient, but it can actually cause overheating and even damage your phone. Make sure you're using the charger and cable that came with your iPhone, or an Apple-certified third-party charger. This ensures your phone is getting the correct voltage and prevents excessive heat buildup. The third step is to keep your iPhone software up to date. Apple regularly releases updates to fix bugs and improve performance, and this includes better battery management. Simply go to Settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. If there's an update available, hit Download and Install. This can help with the overheating issue and boost your phone's overall performance. To prevent overheating in the future, try charging your iPhone in a cool, dry area, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Avoid using your phone for heavy tasks while charging, such as gaming or streaming. And lastly, don't leave your phone plugged in overnight for extended periods. There you have it. Follow these steps, and your iPhone will be charging without any issues. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Also, drop a comment below, let us know if you've ever experienced overheating and how you fixed it. See you in the next one.